Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning up because we've been out and about filming a couple videos today, having fun with the boys, and my house is a mess, especially my bedroom and bathroom, so I wanted to take you guys along with me. So let's get to cleaning.
You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. This time we got out. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild, 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 wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Silent, bold, the wind.
Okay, so I'm in the middle of cleaning, checking my phone periodically, and I just wanted to share this on camera. It's so bizarre, I know, but when one of your favorite YouTubers comments on your Instagram post, I mean, come on, Ashley from Till Vacuum Do Us Part, I love her. And then when she commented on one of my stories, I looked and she's following me. Thank you, Ashley. I love you. All right, back to cleaning.
It's cold. You must return to the wild, 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 wild.
With my head again, you had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I?
For wiping down the counters after the sponge, I'm just gonna actually use one of these. This is just a little baby washcloth. So.
Touch would never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Sink finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours, stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go.
So much better now. Seriously, this took a hot minute. Literally, like I'm sweating. But so much better. All the hair's out of there, the carpet fibers. I don't even know how this thing was working. I mean, a lot of this is dust from my actual vacuum canister, but all this right here, carpet fibers wrapped around the brush roller. So just a reminder, I knew this was gonna be dirty. I wasn't expecting it to be that bad. So every now and again, check your roller and clean it out.
Wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills for so long, I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours, stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go.
This bathroom was a disaster for the last few days or so, so it feels so good to finally have a clean bathroom. Smells so fresh with the flooring cleaner that I used. Yay!